Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to turn off dynamic lock screen wallpaper. This is very simple. So in this device, I already enabled the dynamic lock screen wallpaper. You can see each time the lock screen wallpaper is changing. So let me show you how to disable or turn off the dynamic lock screen wallpaper. Simply go to settings, tap on wallpaper and style, tap on change wallpaper, scroll down, select the option dynamic lock screen. Okay, and here you can see I selected 5 categories. To turn on the dynamic lock screen wallpaper, select none. So deselect all the selected categories. That's it. You can see you have turned off. Let me show you again. You can see you have turned off dynamic lock screen. If you go to the lock screen, you can see the dynamic lock screen wallpaper is turned off. Okay, so simply in this way we can turn off dynamic lock screen wallpaper on this device. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.